How to make $100 a day cryptocurrency trading strategy. This strategy is for beginners and it's a very ridiculously profitable crypto scalping strategy. Alright guys, let's get straight into this. Guys, this is going to be a very quick short video. I don't want to bore you guys out with long process video. I will go straight to the point and show you guys how this strategy works. So let's get to the chart. Okay, so first and first, let's find our chart. Alright guys, so this is BTC USD, Bitcoin against the US dollars, guys. So what is this strategy? Alright, so this strategy is really easy. Like, I will show you guys how it works, and I want you guys to go back test it and be sure that you're ready to trade with this strategy. I'm not saying you should trade this strategy, I'm just giving you my own preference on how I trade the Bitcoin market. Alright guys, so we want to use the 50 period exponential moving average line. So I already have the 200 average and the 200 EMA on my chart. So I'm going to change this from 200 to 50. So we'll change this to 50 and press OK, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so this is it. So we want to see 3 candlestick consecutive move to the 50 EMA line. And as you can see guys, at this point, you can see this candlestick, this 1, 2, and 3 candlestick. So this candlestick consecutively moved to the 200 EMA line, and then we want to see look for our entry. So because of the candlestick moved, there's a 3 candlestick body move to the 200 EMA line. Doesn't mean that we'll just blindly jump into the trade and take a trade. That is for amateurs. But even if this is a beginner trading strategy on how to make $100 a day trading the crypto market, I wouldn't just blindly take a trade like this. All right, so this is going to be a scalping strategy. I want you guys to scalp the market, take 1.5 or maximum 2, or trail your stops if you want to. So we want to see, after this 3 consecutive candlestick, we want to see an engulfing candlestick. All right, so at this point we saw the engulfing at this point, so we want to use the ATR for our stops and targets. As you can see at this point, the ATR for this candlestick is 402. So 402 times 2x ATR, or 1.5 if you want to. So for this video, I'll be using 1.5 ATR. So 1.5 ATR will be 601, and I know 603. So let's use our stops, 603. Okay guys, as you can see, 603 pip stop, and our target is a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2, or you trail your stops if you want to. So guys, this strategy is really easy. Just go back test it. It's, to me guys, this strategy works for me on Bitcoin, and it's really easy, straight to the point, and it's really easy guys. You guys can see it's really easy. So guys, as you can see, this is a really simple crypto and Bitcoin trading strategy that beats buy and hold. If you trade this consecutively and trade it consistently, you are gonna make a good amount of money, guys. So guys, with that out of the way, if you want to learn how to trade, DM me on Instagram, and I will host a one-on-one live coaching section with you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay XO.